Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, lies the town of Jand. This unassuming town holds a special significance in the region. It is a place where the Indus River flows gracefully. Jand is surrounded by lush green fields, which are a testament to Punjab's agricultural prowess. Jand offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage, just waiting to be discovered. Jand is more than just a name on the map. It is a gateway to some of Punjab's most remarkable landscapes. The town is located near the mighty Indus River and is also close to the scenic Salt Range Mountains. This makes it an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Jand is a place where one can reconnect with nature and immerse themselves in the tranquility of the countryside. The town's strategic location has played a significant role in its history. It has served as a crossroads for travelers and traders for centuries, resulting in a rich cultural tapestry evident in the local traditions and architecture. Jand's historical significance is deeply intertwined with its natural wonders, creating a captivating narrative for those who seek to delve into its past. Jand is a destination that beckons travelers to explore its hidden treasures. From the flowing waters of the Indus to the heights of Sakasar, Jand offers a diverse range of experiences sure to captivate the senses and leave a lasting impression. The Indus River is a lifeline for the people of Pakistan. It flows through Jand, showcasing its majestic beauty. The river's banks offer breathtaking views, especially during sunrise and sunset. The gentle sound of flowing water creates a soothing atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and soak in the serenity of their surroundings. For those seeking adventure, the Indus River provides opportunities for fishing and leisurely walks along its banks. The river is home to a variety of fish species, making it a popular spot for anglers. The surrounding vegetation attracts a diverse range of bird life, enhancing the natural beauty of the area. Just a short distance from Jand is the Jabi Dam, another picturesque location that showcases the region's natural beauty. The dam creates a serene lake surrounded by rolling hills, providing a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Jabi Dam is an ideal destination for day trips and picnics. Visitors can enjoy boating on the lake or simply relax by the water's edge. The surrounding hills offer opportunities for hiking and exploring the natural landscape. The peaceful ambience and scenic views make Jabi Dam a must-visit destination near Jand. Rising majestically from the Salt Range, Sakasar is the highest peak in the region. It stands as a testament to the natural beauty that surrounds Jand. Sakasar is a true paradise for nature lovers, offering breathtaking panoramic views, diverse flora and fauna, and a serene escape from the ordinary. The journey to Sakasar is an adventure in itself. The winding roads leading up to the top offer glimpses of the stunning landscapes below. As you ascend, the air becomes crisp and cool, and the vegetation transforms into a mix of pine forests and alpine meadows. Sakasar is a hiker's paradise, with numerous trails winding through the forests and meadows. These trails lead to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. Along the way, you might encounter a variety of wildlife, including wild goats, rabbits, and a diverse array of bird species. The peak of Sakasar offers an unparalleled panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction. The snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas stand majestically in the distance, while the vast plains of Punjab stretch out before you like a green carpet. Jand and its surrounding areas are not short of green spaces, offering respite from the heat and a chance to connect with nature. Kanhati Garden stands out as a popular destination for families and nature enthusiasts alike. Kanhati Garden provides a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. With its lush green lawns, colourful flower beds and tall shady trees, the garden offers a serene and tranquil environment. Families often gather here for picnics, enjoying the fresh air and the company of loved ones. Beyond Kanhati Garden, the outskirts of Jand are dotted with numerous other green spaces. These range from small parks to larger agricultural fields, offering opportunities for leisurely walks, bird watching, and simply enjoying the peace and quiet of nature. For those seeking a more immersive experience, the nearby forests of the Salt Range beckon. These forests are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, offering a glimpse into the region's natural heritage. Whether you prefer a casual stroll in a local park or an adventurous hike through the forests, Jand and its surroundings offer a variety of ways to connect with nature. Section 5. Exploring the rich history of Jand. Jand's history is as rich and fertile as the lands that surround it. The town has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. It has served as a crossroads for travelers and traders for centuries. This rich tapestry of history is woven into the very fabric of Jand, evident in its architecture, its culture, and the stories passed down through generations. One of the most prominent remnants of Jand's past is the ancient fort that stands guard over the town. The fort, though now in ruins, speaks volumes of a time when Jand occupied a strategic position on trade routes. The weathered stones and crumbling walls whisper tales of battles fought and kingdoms won and lost. The influence of various civilizations that once held sway over Jand is evident in the local architecture. From Mughal-inspired arches to intricate woodwork reminiscent of the Sikh era, Jand's buildings stand as a testament to its diverse cultural heritage. Walking through the town's narrow streets is akin to taking a journey through time. The people of Jand are proud custodians of their history. They are always eager to share stories and legends passed down through generations. These tales often speak of brave warriors, wise rulers, and the enduring spirit of the people of Jand. Section 6. Beyond Jan Murray and Trimu Barrage. While Jand itself offers a wealth of natural beauty and cultural experiences, venturing beyond its borders opens up a whole new world of exploration. Two destinations in particular stand out for their unique charm and proximity to Jan Murray, the queen of hill stations, and Trimu Barrage, a marvel of engineering on the Chenab River. Murray, nestled amidst the foothills of the Himalayas, offers a stark contrast to the plains of Punjab. Known for its cool climate, lush green forests, and stunning views of the snow-capped peaks, Murray has been a popular tourist destination for over a century. A visit to Murray is a must for those seeking respite from the heat and a chance to experience the beauty of the mountains. Trimu Barrage, on the other hand, showcases the ingenuity of human engineering in harnessing the power of nature. This massive barrage on the Chenab River plays a crucial role in irrigation and flood control. It's also a popular spot for picnics and bird watching. A visit to Jand can be easily combined with trips to Murray and Trimu Barrage, offering a well-rounded experience of Punjab's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. Section 7. Planning your trip to Jand. Jand's location in the heart of Punjab makes it easily accessible by road. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant for outdoor activities. Summers can be quite hot, so it's advisable to avoid those months if you're sensitive to heat. While Jand enjoys relatively good air quality compared to larger cities, it's always a good idea to check the air quality index before your trip, especially if you have respiratory sensitivities. Local authorities provide regular updates on air quality, and you can find this information online or through mobile apps. Jand offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. From simple guest houses to more comfortable hotels, you'll find something that meets your needs. It's always advisable to book your accommodation in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. When it comes to getting around Jand, local transportation options are readily available. Rickshaws and taxis are the most common modes of transport within the town and for short distances. For exploring nearby areas, you can hire a car or use local buses, which are quite affordable. Section 8. Jand, a gateway to Punjab's natural beauty. Jand, with its unassuming charm, stands as a gateway to Punjab's natural beauty and cultural heritage. From the flowing waters of the Indus River to the heights of Sakasar, from the tranquility of Jabi Dam to the historical whispers of ancient forts, Jand offers a diverse range of experiences that captivate the senses and nourish the soul. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, a peaceful retreat amidst nature's embrace, or a journey back in time through historical landmarks, Jand has something to offer every traveler. So pack your bags, leave behind the hustle and bustle of city life, and embark on an unforgettable journey to this hidden gem of Punjab. Jand is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a tapestry woven from the threads of nature, culture, and history. Come explore its hidden treasures and create memories that will last a lifetime.